we'll guide you through how to stay updated with Dropbox news. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website by typing www.dropbox.com into the address bar. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If not, click on the Sign In button at the top right and enter your credentials. After you're logged in, navigate to the bottom of the homepage and locate the Company section. Here, you'll find a link labeled News. Click on this link to be redirected to the Dropbox news page, where they frequently update their latest announcements, features, and company news. To ensure you get the latest updates directly, scroll to the bottom of the news page and look for the option to subscribe to their newsletter. You might see a field to enter your email address. Fill in your email and hit the subscribe button. This way, you'll receive updates right in your inbox whenever there's something new. Additionally, you can follow Dropbox on their official social media accounts. Most companies, including Dropbox, post news and updates on platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Just search for Dropbox on these platforms and click follow or like to stay informed. Lastly, if you prefer video updates, check out their YouTube channel where they post detailed videos about new features and updates. To find it, just search for Dropbox on YouTube and hit subscribe on their channel. Keeping up with Dropbox news is easy once you know where to look. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.